Hi and welcome to another Type with me. In today's video I want to talk about stop installing bad npm packages, use npq instead. So if we go to GitHub npq, you see that it's a safely install npm package by auditing them pre-install stage. So we can very easily, when in our terminal, go and say npx, which is I want to execute an npm package directly without installing it. You can use npx, np execute, right? npq, which is for quality, and we can then say I want to check the quality of the React package. So we are going to audit the package, and we see here we have a supply chain security, enable to verify provenance. The package was published without any attestations, and we have a total package of 1. We have total errors 0, and we have total warnings 1. Of course, if we're now going to execute npx npq axios, going to analyze auditing the package, then we get supply chain security detected, a recently published version published 5 days ago. Consider waiting for community review. So would I install it or not? I don't think so, because we got an error, right? So we say no, then we do this, and of course I also want to do a very bad one, left bad. Actually, it's going to audit it, and we got a package health error, package deprecated, use string.prototype.path start instead. It has package health, it detected an old package, and supply chain security, unable to verify provenance. The package was published without any attestations. So we're not going to install it, but of course what we could do is we also can go for an older version. We can do that with add 1.1. I'm just gonna audit it, and here we get some errors, right? And you see that it's been created 8 years ago. So I think if you just want to have a quick check if that package is okay, and you want to see what kind of auditing that's been done, well, just use npx npq. Doesn't hurt. It's a very quick, good testing utility, and I think it's very useful to look into it. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.